So I went down to Plaquemines Parish down Highway 23 before the Bayou Coast Club Championship, and I met a couple members, Chris and Janie, and they never been to Bayou Log Cabins before. So we figured we'd go, and with the weather pattern, it was hard to get in the ponds, but we definitely caught a few redfish. Couldn't find the trout, and of course I missed all my hook sets. So, but everybody still caught a lot of fish.
Oh, really shallow. Yeah, look at those pieces of grass clumps. I heard them right over there. They're in this corner and must get a little bit deeper around those clumps. It's pretty sloppy looking. At first glance, you would be like, there's no way there's a fish in that.
Definitely had a good time going out. Glad I didn't skunk, of course, and gotta start getting out there more often for sure, hopefully before Christmas. Thanks for watching, and appreciate if you like and subscribe. Thanks.